Hey, here's a quick look at room 6453 on Adventure of the Seas. Room 6453 is towards the middle rear of the ship. Great location. It's an inside room with a desk and a drawer there you can see with a hair dryer. Nice lighting while you're getting ready, and there's some storage here. You can see a little bit behind that mirror there. That little side mirror opens up for some storage. There's also a safe on board in this room, and then there's a couple of open shelves above that. This room is currently configured with one single bed, but these beds can be separated. We'll show that at the end of the video here. You can see it's not a really big room, as inside rooms typically are not, but it is perfectly functional. You can see there's a shower. There is no tub on this inside room. There's a nice little sink and a little bit of storage behind the left mirror. You can see the shower is kind of the tube style. It reminds me of going to the bank and putting your money in the little tube and sending it up through the pneumatic system. It's not a real big bathroom, but there's plenty of space for what you need. Below the TV, there is also a chilling fridge. I would say this is not really a refrigerator, but it can help keep drinks cool. Here you can see the configuration for the two separate beds, which actually opens up the middle of the room quite a bit, and it can work out really well. One secret I found is that if you turn the announcements channel dial to the left one click, there'll be some music that starts to play. Here, take a listen. Stay curious and have a good one.